And in the animal life, if you see the animal, they also wake up looking for the food. After the food, go to the sleep and enjoy the life. But the purpose of the life is something is different. In the deep practice of meditation, all the yogis, all the great masters, thousand years before, they discover in human we have purpose of the life. And what is the purpose of the life? How to find the happiness beyond the happiness, how to find the purpose, how to liberate. That is called moksha. This is the purpose. But before this, okay, if I'm talking about the moksha, this is a long journey. Please don't worry about the moksha. We need to more focus right now in this moment how to make betterment in the life. If I'm looking for how to make the betterment in the life, so I have to be follow that system, and that system is called yamas, niyamas, that is called 8 limb of yoga, 8 step by step. This is the journey. Yamas and niyamas. Why we need the yamas and niyamas? Asana and pranayama. Why I need to practice asana and pranayama? And after pratyahara, dharana, dhyana and samadhi, samadhi is my goal. Samadhi is the fruit, okay? Fruit of all my practice. The purpose of the life. Good. So when we are looking for this path, yoga is the path. I have to be follow this path. Path means how we can say, how we can define the path. Path is the first and end. First, where I start my journey, and I have to be reached. This is called the path. Actually, yoga is path. Okay, and I have to be travel all the round, all the way, reach up to end of. And that end is my fruit and flower I have to be achieved. Because we have such a beautiful seed. Everyone have that seed. No doubt. Just seed need this environment, and that environment helps how to follow this path and reach up to the purpose. Yamas and niyamas, making social well-being. Why we need to make the social well-being? Why need to practice of yamas and niyamas? Please, how we define our personality? We define our personality, body, mind, and the soul. If we define the body, mind, and the soul, yes, yamas and niyamas helping how I behave with myself and how behave with others. And that yamas and niyamas helping how to create the harmony, yamas and niyamas helping us how we respect to each other. So, yamas and niyamas, kind of our attitude, it helps to us how to see on the respect of yoga, aspect of yoga to see others. If you see in animals, no yamas and niyamas. Because in their life, already yamas and niyamas, because they are completely under the influences of prakriti. They are already in dharma. Because in their life, everything is so fixed. In their life, no need to make the yamas and niyamas. You can see some of the animals, they are vegetarian, they are vegetarian. Some of the animals, they are non-vegetarian, they are non-vegetarian. So everything is fixed in their life. But in our life, no, everything is not fixed. We have the choice. If we have the choice, so universe, the God says, yes, you enjoy the choice, but that choice should be under the influences of dharma. That is the helping us how to move into this path. That's why we need the dharma in our life. Dharma means my duty. That duty helps showing the way to reach up to the purpose. So I need yamas and niyamas. This is the first step. This is the mind, because we consider our personality, body, mind, and the soul. So from the very beginning, we trying to learning yamas and niyamas. We will discuss later on. Okay, today this is just introductory. Second, asana and pranayama. Why I need to making the asanas and pranayama? Please, asana and pranayama through the action. Please, now you think about this. Yamas and niyamas. This is the part of the mind. One part. And yamas and niyamas should be reflect into the action. That's why I need the practice of asana. You don't think so? During the asana, I am just making only healthy body. Yes, we are making the healthy body, but beyond the body, we are learning how to make healthy mind, because I want to put that attitude, that yamas and niyamas attitude into my action. This is the purpose. That's why all the yogis, when they make such a beautiful system, and that system helps how to put the mind into the right direction, okay? And it helps how to reach up to the goal. That's why if you see these signs, thousands years before, discovered by the yogis, still is demanding in the universe, okay? And I am sure in future it will be more and more demanding. Why is demanding? Because something we are missing in our life. What we are missing in our life, yoga education helps how to find what I am missing in my life and how to find my center, how I can establish in my center. Good. And then when we are practicing asana and pranayama, it helps how to make the physical well-being. Yamas and niyamas, social well-being, asana and pranayama, making us physical well-being. Because if I want to some experience, I need my healthy body, no doubt. Healthy body not only just to earn the money, healthy body to get such a wonderful experience on this journey of the life. I need healthy body. And then definitely when I am practicing yamas and niyamas, okay, asana and pranayama, okay, and then rest of the path that is called pratyahara, dharana, dhyana, and samadhi, slowly mind start to becoming introvert, then I can enjoy the journey inside. So finally, what I want to request to you, please, this is the final part. Okay? In human, we also have the two kind of the life. First kind of the life, what I am getting, the life from the parents, this is the birth of the body, only just gross body. Okay? But when I am awakening more inside, this is the birth of mind, and yoga is talking about birth of mind, not talking the birth of the body. That's why I'm saying you, if you see in the first three lives in this evolutionary process, only birth of the body is there, no birth of the mind. If you see the mineral kingdom, plant kingdom, they have such a beautiful body. Animal, they have such a beautiful body. Only birth of the body is there, but not birth of the mind. In human, yes, what we are doing here all together, how to find my true birth. One birth, I get from the parents? One birth. I have to be introduced myself in this birth. So right now, everyone, those are here, I really appreciate to you to find ourselves, how to connect with ourselves. That's why all the master, great yogis, they make such a beautiful system how to find my true birth, and that birth definitely helps to reach up to that purpose.